2022 Dodge Durango HEMI, 5.7 liter V8. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters there and there. Then he had a mid delete somewhere else, mid muffler delete. Had it done somewhere else. Then continued with the stock 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Then we put 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 15430S, there and there. Instead of the rear resonators, right there, and put some 5-inch black double wall tips. Because why not? It looks so much better with them. He's gonna wrap the whole car, so it's gonna look really nice once he get it all wrapped. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Much better. There we go. Again. 150. Oh, it sounds so good. I love it. That's it. I think he likes it. Take it up. Doors open. Dodge is bad about that. If the door is open, it won't go in the reverse.